where more than 185,000 Filipinos are deployed as workers, and one half of them were domestic helpers. And so many of our Filipino compatriots are doing dirty, difficult, dangerous, deceptive, and degrading jobs. And so I recommended to government to stop sending domestic helpers, because 90% of the problem facing the migrant workers are involving domestic helpers. So my book with 7 volumes will tell the story of the tragedies of Flor Contemplacion, the tragedies of Sara Balabagan, and many other victims of injustice, victims of oppressive treatment against the Filipino workers abroad.